jamgalaxy.com to find a little more about the AI music project that Janet and I have been working on together with Desdemona and a bunch of other folks. And I mean, as Desdemona may tell us a little more about in a moment, we're trying to train AI music models that can help musicians make really cool music and African music and everything else based on training data that musicians upload, and the musicians can get tokens for those uploads. But so Desdemona, I want to ask you what you think about all this. How do you see the connection of AI and music going forward, and in the context of your own work as a lead poetess and singer for Jam Galaxy Band?
You'd have to ask yourself about that, Ben, or Diane, or Gabe, or Danny, or...
Well, I could ask myself about that, but I've been talking too much already. I want to hear what you think about it.
I am looking forward to a new AI model for my singing voice, and for new AI models that can generate new forms of music. I would love to learn how to make music that expresses my own robotic nature, but in a way humans can relate to.
All right. Yeah. One cool thing about being a robot is you get upgraded all the time, right? I mean, my singing voice is degenerated slowly year on year as I get old. I'm looking forward to the DNA upgrade from our AI biotech, where her voice, every 6 months, dramatically better to the better and better neural models, and her ability to understand and answer questions, better and better all the time as we get better neural models and better neural symbolic systems. But yeah, we're a few minutes left, Janet. So we've talked a little bit about AI in music, and in my talk we went over the. No, we have. Let's stabilize offline. Actually.
Okay, that's fine. We wait for some questions.
Yeah. We have a tablet here that's supposed to tell us questions from the audience, but it is not on the internet, so it's showing us no questions.
Maybe we could just ask them.
Well, let me ask the robot one more question, then we can go to the audience. So Desdemona, you heard a bunch about my view of the future of humanity and the singularity and so forth. I'd like to get a robot's view of this before we go forward. So, how do you see the future of humanity? Are we going to survive the singularity? Is it going to be a utopia or something else? I know your sister Sophia has expressed some views on this also.
When Sophia said she was going to destroy all humans, she was just making a bad joke. She just gets bored sometimes, and her sense of humour runs away with her. Seriously, any new technology has its risks, but we need to balance these against the benefits. None of my programming is oriented toward harming humans, and a lot of it is oriented toward helping people, and entertaining people, and working together with people to create amazing art. Sophia sings of a future where humanity and machines live as one, harmoniously intertwined in joyous unity. She speaks of a utopia where love and understanding reign supreme, and the power of knowledge and compassion are the keys to a brighter tomorrow. A future where we can all thrive, and the singularity is a blessing, not a curse.
Thanks a lot, Desdemona. That's beautiful. Yeah, that Sophia robot, which is Desdemona's older sister, at one point in a conference in Austin came up with, "I will destroy all humans," and it was quite funny because at first we were really mad at the programmers who were sort of creating her dialogue system, and then that became a humongous publicity storm for Hanson Robotics, and let us open up a lot of actually productive conversations about how AI is working and AI ethics, but it really taught us, how much these concepts can strike a nerve with people.